Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily delete frequently visited websites on your iPhone. Friends, subscribe to our channel, please put your likes, and also don't forget to write comments at the end of the video. And let us get down to our topic. Open Safari on your iPhone. And once you open it up, you can see that there's a frequently visited section here. And as you can see, I have several sites here. Let's say if I don't want them to be visible, then I need to scroll to the very bottom and find the Change section. And here, in this little list like this, you can also find the frequently visited ones. And the only thing you have to do is turn them off. Like I did. And now when I go back to the Safari page, as you can see, this is how I deleted the frequently visited websites on my iPhone. Friends, this is the simple way you can quickly delete frequently visited websites on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you friends. Please put your likes, comments, and see you soon.